Hey crafters, welcome to my channel! So today's project is going to be short and sweet. You may remember the video where I went to Hobby Lobby and I found this necklace on sale and I converted it into a new necklace and a pair of earrings. And the earrings that I made were these pair of tassel earrings. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily make your own pair of tassel earrings if you don't just randomly find tassels on a necklace at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to show you two ways to do this. The first way is going to use a brand new embroidery floss package. So as you can see, it's still looped together. The second way I'm going to show is if you just have your floss already undone from the package. For each pair of earrings that we're going to make, we will need 2 earring hooks, 2 jump rings that are 0.8 centimeters in diameter, and 2 jump rings that are 0.6 centimeters in diameter. As you may have picked up, we will also be using a pair of needle nose pliers. You may want to have 2 pairs on hand because it sometimes just makes it a little easier. You will need scissors, some kind of container like either a cup or a glue bottle for the method with the already unwound embroidery floss. So I'm using a glue bottle. And last of all, it's just an extra thing. You may want either an iron or a hair straightener to smooth out your tassels when it's all said and done. But that's all we need as far as materials go, so let's jump into making our very own tassel earrings. Alright, so let's make our first pair of earrings. We're going to start with our 0.8 centimeter jump ring, and we're going to bend it open. To do this, you can either grab with your hand on one side and grab with the needle nose pliers on the other side and just kind of do this twist motion to open it. Or you can grab either side with a pair of needle nose pliers and twist in opposite direction. Just kind of pop it open like that. Now I'm going to come to my loop of embroidery floss and I'm going to just separate it so that way I have all strands on one side. So I'm just kind of opening up this loop here. Okay, once I have it opened up, I just kind of pinch it here and put one of these jump rings that I opened up around it. You may find you need to open up the jump ring a little more. That's okay, just play around with it. You can also pull them apart like this to open it up more. But I'm just going to put that through there, squeeze it shut this way, and this way. You're going to do the same process on the other end. Once I have this done on both ends, I'm going to get my 0.6 centimeter jump ring and open this one up. You can either do the twist method or you can just pull them apart. Open it up. Now the goal with this jump ring is to go around the embroidery floss just below this top loop to pinch it and hold it in place. So I'm going to go around here. I'm going to really need to squish down my embroidery floss, but I want it to come around like this. And now I'm going to pinch this closed around the embroidery floss to hold it in place. So once you have it on there good, just keep squeezing it from all different directions to get it really secure. And now we have it pinched in place on this side, and we're going to do the same process on the other side. Now we're almost done. We just need to remove the packaging, and then we're going to fold it in half. We just want to make sure that the tops of our loops there are lined up, and we're going to cut through all the embroidery floss. And now our tassels are made. I'm just going to pull out some of these looser pieces, and I'm going to smooth them out with my flat iron, and then of course I'll refluff them after ironing them. But now the last thing we need to do is just attach them to the earring hook. To do this, I'm just going to bend open this little loop here. Slide my tassel on, and then pinch it closed. And now you have a cute pair of tassel earrings. The second method takes a little more work, but it's just about an identical process. I'm going to grab either a cup or a cylinder of some sort. In this case, I'm using just a bottle of tacky glue. Also going to grab some tape, and I'm going to just tape one end of my embroidery floss onto the side of the bottle. Then I'm going to wrap my embroidery floss around my container. Once I have it looped all the way around, I'm going to slide my loop off Just gonna pull down, and yes, that one it is taped, but it should slide right out from underneath the tape. And now that I have a loop, I'm gonna do basically the same process I did before. I'm gonna put my big jump ring around either end. Put one on this end, and the next on the other end. Make sure those stay at either end, and then we're going to take our smaller jump rings and fasten them around the base of the embroidery floss. Then I'll repeat on the other side. Once both sides are ready, I'm going to fold it in half and line up my 2 loops, and then cut this fold right here in the middle. Now this one you will definitely want to iron, and you may need to also trim the ends a little bit. And then I'll just pop these onto my earring hooks and I'll be done. And now our earrings are done. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to come back next week for another awesome Tutorial Tuesday. And while you're here, you may as well hit the thumbs up on this video, hit the subscribe button over there, and you might as well check out some of the other videos that are on my channel. I'll see you next week. Happy crafting!